Good morning. Wake up na. Uy. Morning. Antok pa.
We ran so fast up the mountain as the sun fell.
Patuloy tayong maging masaya, patuloy tayong magmahal ng bawat isa. Ang purpose namin sa video is for memories. Someday, pabalikan namin, hindi lang basta alaala, pwede naming mapanood yung mga ginawa namin nung kami ay mga bata pa. Nung kami ay hindi pa mahina, nung kami ay mabilis pa maglakad, nakakapagmotor pa, nakakapunta pa kung saan-saan. Mababalikan namin lahat ito. So yun ang pinaka-purpose kung bakit din natin ginagawa ito.
So make these moments last.
Kasi walang pasok. Sarap ng buhay ng dalawa, walang pasok mo naman. Kasi ba't walang pasok? If it open. Enjoy.
Nagpe-prevent pa lang.
Ha?
Nagpe-prevent pa lang.
Nagpe-prevent pa lang. So, tambay naman ang dalawang bata. Parang ang pasok nyo kuya sa isang linggo. Isang beses lang, no? No. Isang beses lang.
Anong pasok?
Yung pasok nyo, isang beses lang sa isang linggo. No? Lipat muna natin yung sasakyan. Kasi mamaya alis tayo, punta tayo ng festival. So, matagal-tagal na rin dito nakapunta ng festival. Susi.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day.
Magkano? Kuya, magkano? 250? 350.
Sabihin mo yung shell. Yung pang...
Kuya, may kasama ba tong shell? Ano, shell ba or marble? Shell.
Yan yung gusto mo, nasan?
Ha? Yun yung ganun, no? Alin?
350. Kasi malaki siya.
Ito pang kamot, to.
Ito yung kahoy. Yung kahoy ko parang yung baon.
Pero mas masarap pagluto pag ganito to. Pero dati, ngayon mahal na to. Ano, bibili ni kuya? May pera ka? Oo. 200. Gusto ko.
Magkano daw yun?
Pro years, hindi na yan gagamitin.
Eh, syempre may school eh. Hindi, ayaw.
Tama yung gaswood, hindi na ginagamit.
Oo,
Tapos yung ulo cards, hindi natin.
Siyempre, ano yung reason dyan? School.
Hindi natin.
Kasi iba mo...
Tapos yung chess, hindi na.
O ano yung...
So, X na siya.
Ano yung ba yung mga sinasabi ng magulang na ano? Focus muna sa study.
Oo, ang laki yun.
Macho.
Bigat.
Aray ito!
Ano? Kasi sa mga ang 50 ang pera nung nila, nag-abono namin ng 200.
50 lang binigay mo?
150.
Parip na stop yan. Parip mo lang ako.
May bago na siyang twist na naman.
Lang. Wala nga akong reason ba't si Macho pampalo niya ito eh.
Ano na?
Pampalo ka ni Macho. Balikan mo yan. Malimit ka.
Uy, pera mo yun?
Oo.
350 na
Bakit?
ako ng pera.
Hindi 150.
Yeah.
Kung hindi siya fitable, lagay, di ba marble na nalagay din?
Ano masasabi mo?
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower.
Kuya, hawakan mo.
Don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking
happy
good
ka dyan?
tonight.
Oo.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes
Yan yung mga
down.
artifacts
It's
na
what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Lalim mo.
Falling in love.
Ayos ba kuya? Okay? 1 to 10.
Yes, sir.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December and the sound of the falling snow. The fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime.
Mayaman ka, no?
You and me.
Hindi mahirap lang ako.
I will leave the picture 7-9.
Wala akong nahulog kanina.
Hmm?
Wala akong nahulog kanina.
Nahulog? Hindi ba siya tatama doon sa may wall na white? Yung ganito?
Hindi siya tatama yung haba niya.
Oo nga, pag nilatag
Kasi
siya.
hindi siya tatama ang ano niya yung
Haba.
Oh, you and me were poor as dirt. All we had was time. Hey, do you remember? Sneak it out in the night. Me playing the Fender and you singing, oh, it's alright. Beating hearts full of lust, shiny stars over us, just a dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back my life, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt. All we had was time. All we had was time.
ang pink natin?
Ayun o. Oh, yun, doon.
May bubong ba yan? Ayaw ba, baby?
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do.
Gusto mo ng gulay?
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and
Ito yung ano sinasabi mo forest.
Oo, tsaka naglaro dati.
Diba? Ito yung reasons.
Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad, and I read your letters and look at your pictures. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love.
Dati nak, nung nag-aaral ako dito, wala pa kayo noon, dito ako lagi namamasyal.
Mag-isa?
Hindi, mga kasama ko mga college,
Anong grade ka nun?
high school.
Mang grade na rin total?
Ano, hindi, wala pa nung...
Lapit lang, ano po? Naglalagay.
Yes?
Bibili yan.
Na.
Take a step into the river. Get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. You're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river where you will find peace. Where you go through the storm.
Binili natin dito. Parang ano yun, di ba?
Yung parang ano?
May binili tayo dati dito eh.
Di ba tayo? Di ba tayo?
Hindi yan. Hindi yan. May binili tayo dati dito. Ito oh. Ano ba to?
Si Battleship?
Sa Lazada ba yan?
Sa Madami.
May binili tayo dito dati. Alam ko meron tayo nung binili dito.
Sequence ata.
Basta dito lang yun sa may mga ano. Oo. Ayun oh, yung ganito oh. Ano ba yan?
Doon yung sa Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa.
Nag-graduate.
Ito.
Poker chips. Meron ba tayo?
Hindi ba yan?
Ganito yun, pero ano yung sequence? May mga pampaw.
Hindi ganito.
Hindi.
Hindi rin. Saan?
Poker chips.
Oo.
Masahan ba yun?
Ata.
Simoy ba yun? Best 50? O yun na yun?
Magkano siya? Break. Yeah. Okay, good. Isa pa.
Sige, taas mo.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new.
Yoy.
Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
Gandang-ganda siya.
Oh, I wish it was me.
Nice.
When I close my
Ang ganda. Galing na. Mas gusto mo, red or yung black? Check mo yung red.
beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say.
Gusto mo yan? Ito na. Isa, tsaka mas maganda yung apakanto kaysa yung maliit.
Okay na yan.
Ayun. Happy na?
Sakto sa kanya ho. Maganda.
Where you will find peace. Where you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight. Oh yeah, I will fight. When you go through the storm.
Eh! Yun o. Gwapo. Stig. Lo. Kakauwi lang galing school eh. Saan yun? Ay, layo mo na. Yun o.
Panis! Yay! Oh, break! Sobrang excited, di na nagbihis galing school eh. Ayos?